everyone, Speed Sheep here. Welcome back to the channel. Got another weekend hiking adventure. This time, as you can see, little snow on the ground. So gonna break out the winter gear, gonna break out the winter boots, and yeah, trudge around in maybe 5-6 inches of snow. We're here in Ohio, Mohican State Park. This is actually a spot that I used to come a lot growing up. Did a lot of camping and hiking here, so nice little return to my roots. And also fun little surprise, gonna go hiking with the in-laws, my father, mother, and brother-in-law. So gonna just spend a little time together hiking around here, and yeah, just got to the trailhead here, getting our gear all set up, and we'll hit the trail. So hope you guys enjoy the video. After a quick check of the map, we were off. When we got to the Pleasant Hill Dam, we realized this was the perfect opportunity to break out the drone. All right, we just got over to Pleasant Hill Dam here, and the view is incredible. The snow on all of the pine trees just makes it absolutely wonderful. A little bit icy on the trail so far, but nothing we can't handle. And I have a feeling that drone footage was wild. So fun little addition. Brother Josh had that. They use that over on their channel, Aviation Fix. That's where they do lots of flying with their personal aircraft. Tons of great content over there, so go check them out, Aviation Fix. And yeah, get to take advantage of some of the toys they have and use it here on this channel, so hope you guys enjoyed that. But time to hit back on the trail. We're starting to lose sunlight a little bit here. We gotta head over to our campsite, so we're gonna get going. After a long road walk and with the sun fading, we were treated to a cotton candy sunset before finishing our hike in the dark.
Reseal it and then let it sit for
Good morning. Welcome to day 2 here in Mohican State Forest. Just getting up and getting moving this morning. We got in pretty late. It was very dark by the time we were setting up our tents. We had a nice little surprise. When I was prepping for this trip, was reading the trail guide, had booked our campsite, and the notes said that there was a small stream crossing to get over to campsite 3. I think they undersold that stream crossing just a little bit, so we just found some pine trees back over that way, set up our tents, got some food, and then retired pretty early. Rained a little bit on us overnight, but all the gear stayed nice and dry. We were warm, all tucked in our tents, so pretty good night. Gonna get moving here, get some coffee, get some breakfast, and then head up toward the fire tower, and then a short little hike back to the car. Yeah, so far a good weekend. Like I said, it's just been absolutely beautiful here with the snow and the spruce hemlocks. It's just been great. We've really enjoyed ourselves. So gonna go pack up here and then hit the trail again. she left OU. She.
When we got to the fire tower, we realized they'd closed the top down to visitors due to COVID. This was a great opportunity to break out the drone again so we could still see the views from the surrounding forest.
Well, we just got back to the trailhead, so that's going to be a wrap on another adventure. Thank you guys for sticking around. Really appreciate it. And if you made it this far, why don't you consider subscribing? It's free, and it really means a lot to me. It does a lot to support this channel. So, hope you guys enjoyed it. Speed Cheap out.